Hey everyone, Glyphosate guy Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. In this video, I'm going to be going over 8 nutrients or categories of nutrients that are being impacted or somehow disrupted, decreased, eliminated by glyphosate, the active ingredient in the Roundup herbicide weed killer. Okay, that's a public health crisis. You may learn actually ways to not have to take some prescription medications due to doing these things. Of course, by the way, none of the information contained in this video is meant to diagnose, treat, cure, mitigate any health condition or disease. Always check in with a licensed healthcare professional, ideally one that is got some common sense, good judgment, and a vast experience. Okay, so number one is minerals. That's for sure, because glyphosate was patented actually as a descaler for industrial pipes back in the 70s. Okay, so it's going to be robbing you of minerals such as zinc, magnesium, cobalt, which makes up methylcobalamin, which is known as vitamin B12, iron, manganese, and many others. Okay, to compensate for this mineral deficiency, be sure to eat number A, lots of mineral rich foods such as seaweeds or sea vegetables, organic nuts and seeds, organic vegetables, wild caught seafood, and the like. Okay, the next thing to compensate for mineral deficiencies is to spray the next generation of electrolytes, particularly one called Insta-Lytes, Insta-Lytes, made by Beam Minerals. Okay, this is amazing. It's topical, so it's transdermal, so it bypasses the gut. Don't need to do any digestion of it, since many of our guts are compromised. You can visit my shortened Beam Minerals affiliate link and get up to a 20% discount. They also offer great other products, some of which actually help to detoxify glyphosate, okay, with humic and fulvic acids. Go to tinyurl.com/Beam Minerals, and that's spelled B as in Bravo, EAM Minerals, okay? You can also enter my code HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, all letters, when you check out at beamminerals.com as well. The third thing you can do to compensate is use a amazing topical transdermal magnesium spray that's highly bioavailable and very quick acting, called Ease, made by Activation Products. Go to my shortened affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/thebestmagnesium, or the other full link I'll have in the show notes below. You can also get a discount by applying my code, either HOWTODIEOFNOTHING or Danny. I think maybe even Detox Roundup might work when you check out at activationproducts.com, okay? And you can also learn more by viewing a quote-unquote PowerPoint. It'll be tinyurl.com/thebestmagnesium PowerPoint. And if you would like to be able to share Ease and other of Activation Products' amazing world-class products by becoming a free affiliate on my team, just leave me a voicemail with your full name, email address, and phone number at either 786-441-2727, as I've got issues with my join link. Again, that's 786-441-2727, or my cell phone at 305-297-9360. I'll also have a link in the description below to my Magnesium for Dummies resource guide. You can learn more, okay? And then another thing you can do is to compensate for vitamin B12 deficiency as a result of glyphosate binding or chelating out cobalt, again, which makes up methylcobalamin, which is commonly known as vitamin B12. Make sure you get something that's made by GlobalHealing, Dr. Edward Group. And what's great about it is 2 out of the 3 forms are the active coenzymated forms of vitamin B12, so it's more bioavailable. Go to my shortened GlobalHealing affiliate link, and that's tinyurl.com/GlobalHealing store, okay? Now, the second nutrient that's being disrupted, impacted by glyphosate, is the smallest amino acid, and that's glycine, okay? Glycine, which actually makes up about every third of every amino acid in collagen, okay? You can get some in Whole Foods from glyphosate residue-free certified gelatin, hydrolyzed collagen, liquid bone broth, and dried chicken bone broth powders by any of the 3 companies below, namely Pure Supplements, and that's my shortened link will be tinyurl.com/Roundup Free Supplements. The other one is some world-class premium, top of the line regeneratively raised grass-fed bone broth in glass, made by Elisa Sealand. Now rebranded as Fond Regenerative. Used to be Fond Bone Broth, but go to my shortened affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/Roundup Free Bone Broth. Okay. And the last one you guys probably heard of because it's offered at Walmart, and that's Kettle and Fire. Make sure to go to my referral link, and that's tinyurl.com/Kettle and Fire. Okay. Now the third category of nutrient that's being impacted by glyphosate is there is a far more bad gut bugs or bacteria causing gut dysbiosis, which is basically more unfriendly species versus friendly or beneficial ones. Okay, what's great is you can actually get something that's called human milk oligosaccharides. Technically it's human identical milk, since there's actually no human milk in this product made by the way, it's called Layer Origin. Okay, my shortened Layer Origin affiliate link is tinyurl.com/the best prebiotic. Just remember it's pre. Okay, and they also even offer, I think it's apple fiber as well. I have not personally tried out their products yet, since I've got some other priorities, but I've been happy with getting organic sauerkraut and other fermented foods. You don't have to go so fancy, but this could possibly help with any leaky gut issues caused by the bad gut bugs, technically called gut dysbiosis, versus the good gut bugs. Okay, now the fourth thing is all of the 8 B vitamins, which is essential for our nervous system and lots of other functions and roles. And by the way, it's called B vitamins because it's back after bacteria. The B is for bacteria. Okay, that's how they were discovered, and that is definitely being impacted because of the gut dysbiosis. And the good gut bugs are actually responsible for producing many of the B vitamins. Of course, we do have to get some from whole food sources, and you can get a great dietary supplement. I generally don't promote supplements. You guys should know me by now. I'm more of a light circadian rhythm guy versus supplements, but this one happens to be a whole food source, and it's activated and bioavailable fermented bees, and a product made by New Chapter. And this is my shortened New Chapter $20 off referral link, which you can go to, and that is tinyurl.com/fermented multivitamins. Okay, and you can also get other brands such as Garden of Life, that's a little bit cleaner, by using my shortened $10 off Instacart referral link. If you haven't heard of Instacart, it's a great time saver. You can go to either tinyurl.com/save time with Instacart, or my newly created one is tinyurl.com/get Instacart, I believe it is. Okay, fifth thing that's being definitely impacted by glyphosate, and that's intracellular gelled water. Okay, for those that know the work of Dr. Gerald Pollack, the author of The Fourth Phase of Water, we don't have just 3 phases, liquid, gas or vapor, and solid ice. We also have something called plasma water, or exclusion zone, also known as easy water. Okay, and that is definitely being impacted for sure. You can learn how to maximize intracellular hydration by visiting my H2O4Dummies resource guide at any of the links in the show notes below, namely tinyurl.com/H2O4Dummies. You can also go to tinyurl.com/water chemistry for dummies, all letters, or tinyurl.com/intracellular hydration. Okay, and you can also view my list of 30 not so obvious hydrating foods and supplements at either tinyurl.com/the most hydrating foods, or just put a hydrating foods list after the tinyurl.com/. Okay, number 6 nutrient that's being definitely impacted by glyphosate is vitamin D, technically a hormone D, since it is thought to being suppressed. The activation of vitamin D is being suppressed by glyphosate, according to the author of Toxic Legacy, Dr. Stephanie Seneff. One really effective way that you can boost your vitamin D3, even more efficiently and effective than the sun itself, according to vitamin D expert Dr. Michael Hollick out of Boston University, who's the guy that actually discovered the active or circulating form, and he wrote the book The Vitamin D Solution. by using the world's first 95% ultraviolet B vitamin D lamp made by LumaNova called their D-Lite. You can learn more and get pricing in a whole 9 yards by visiting my shortened LumaNova affiliate link, and that's tinyurl.com/the best vitamin D lamp, okay? And you can also get a discount on this and their other higher ticket items like red light therapy items by entering my code Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, at checkout. And LumaNova is spelled L-U-M as in Mary, A-N as in Nancy, O-V-A.com. And to get a discount on their lower ticket items from sleeping bags on down, just enter my other code, HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, at checkout. You can learn more by viewing my quote-unquote PowerPoint by visiting either tinyurl.com/LumaNova PowerPoint, or just put a LumaNova presentation after the tinyurl.com, or the third link I'll have in the show notes below, okay? And if you can't afford the $3,442 for the home use model or the $11,200 commercial use model, which has unlimited users versus just 6 users maximum per day for the home model, become a free LumaNova affiliate on my team by filling out the form at tinyurl.com/share the best vitamin D lamp, okay? By the way, if you happen to place an order for any of these things or join one of my more or handful of part-time home-based big business systems opportunities, be sure to forward me the copy of that order and or enrollment confirmation email so that I can ensure your order ships out ASAP and or that you get off to a fast start. And send that on over to my DCT3@cornell.edu. That's D Delta C Charlie T Tango the number 3 at CORNELL.edu. You can also CC HowToDieOfNothing@gmail.com along with my HowToDieOfNothing at Proton Mail. That's PROTONMAIL.com address, okay? Now the next, and also I'll have links to learn more, so you can learn all about the hormone D, okay? And if you, by the way, want to get bulk purchases, you know, wholesale quantity discounts, possibly have multiple, you know, anti-aging, rejuvenation clinics, whatnot, contact their VP of marketing, who happens to be a naturopathic doctor, Dr. Jason Barotiro. They're in Utah. He's actually the youngest brother of the owner, Mr. Paul Barotiro, also a naturopathic doctor. Call Jason at his cell phone at 281-210-4921. Again, that's 281-210-4921. And his email is just jason@lumanova.com. Okay, be sure to tell him affiliate Danny Zen referred you. Now, the 7th category of nutrient that's being disrupted for sure is digestive enzymes. You know, your lipase, protease, amylase for carbohydrates. And this is per Dr. Anthony Samsel, who's a close friend of Dr. Stephanie Seneff. This is PhD. And you can learn how to compensate by supplementing with some digestive enzymes by going to my GlobalHealing shortened affiliate link. That's tinyurl.com/GlobalHealing store, and or at lifeextension.com/HowToDieOfNothing is my full affiliate link. You can also enter the code Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, when you check out at lifeextension.com, and they offer, of course, a ton of other anti-aging supplements and things like that. Okay, now the last category of, I don't know if you could call it a nutrient, but it's definitely a you know, something helpful for digesting and assimilating food, and that's stomach acid. There's actually a huge epidemic of low stomach acid. People think they have too much stomach acid, so they'll take antacids, but the truth is actually the reverse, okay? You could supplement and compensate by, you know, drinking, sipping some organic apple cider vinegar with a mother, like I do generally before every meal. And you can get some also with my shortened $10 off Instacart referral link, by the way, and that's tinyurl.com/save time with Instacart, okay? So that wraps up the 8 nutrients or categories of nutrients that are being impacted. If you want to avoid eating GMOs and pesticides, grow your own food with the 3 food growing partners listed down at my Linktree/GrowFoodNotLawns. That's LINKTR.E/GrowFoodNotLawns. And receive a free copy of my potentially health and life-saving e-guide titled Glyphosate Testing, Exposure Prevention, and Detoxing. Be sure to visit tinyurl.com/detoxing Roundup, or you can put avoid Roundup or detox Roundup 101 after the tinyurl.com/, okay? And be sure to watch videos on my glyphosate and GMO guide brought to you on video channel, which you can see there at the bottom. That's tinyurl.com/GMO guide channel, okay? And then to be able to afford some or all of the things I've just mentioned, as always, be sure to print out and study the financial literacy IQ images and watch the videos on my How to Own Your Life document, a 3-step simple system but not easy, so you can live possibly 100% off passive and or residual income while you sleep. Just go to tinyurl.com/I want freedom now, or just put more hammock time after the tinyurl.com/more HAMMOCK time, okay? Anyways, thank you for your kind time and attention. I hope this was very informative, educational, and eye-opening, and I look forward to helping you shore up your nutrient deficiency as a result of this terrible public health crisis and existential threat number 2. If you have any questions, to report any broken links, or just to inform me that you've become, placed an order and or enrolled on my team, and or to become a partner that offers something value added, can be in the field of general health, doesn't have to be supplements or related to glyphosate directly, as long as it's value added, okay? Just contact me again at 786-441-2727. If you happen to be outside the country, you can also call me on my toll-free line. That's 1-800-250-8975. Again, that's 1-800-250-8975, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. And by the way, to get a sneak peek into my upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span titled How to Die of Nothing, be sure to go to tinyurl.com/The Doctor of the Future, and doctor spelled out. Again, that's T Tango, I, N as in Nancy, Y, URL.com/The DOCTOR of the Future, or just put a disrupt big pharma after the tinyurl.com/, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. I look forward to helping you to fire your doctor and hire nature, okay? By learning about the 8 nutrients that are being impacted by glyphosate. Take care, be well.